June 4th, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we cut concrete out here, cutting some expansion joints and grout joints in the slab. Kind of make a grid and we'll grout the joints and stain the concrete. Yesterday got some lumber. We cut the control joints and the grout joints in the slab and fell the tree. Today I cleaned up the tree this morning. Got all the limbs and brush out of the way. There's kind of a pile back there behind the backhoe. And now I'm going to move these logs, cut them into 10-foot logs in my trusty 301 still. 031, sorry. Bought that thing back in 1980 after we got married. Cut firewood. Anyway, so that's the next procedure. Get this stuff out of the way. Ben's going to come help me this afternoon. We're going to put the septic tank in. It's June 5th. I sealed some logs. This is the sealer that I use, Kills. It's a oil base primer sealer stain blocker. These are the logs that we got from the tree that we cut down, and sealed the ends of the logs so that they don't crack. And I talked to Bill, who is a timber framer, has a wood miser sawmill, and he said he could saw these up for us. So we'll probably take those over there and have him saw them up, and we'll use them somewhere inside the house as a 1x material. Anywhere from a 1x4 to a 1x12. It's June 5th, about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I moved the logs to the back side of the lot, and this is the product that I use to seal the ends of the logs so that they don't dry too quickly from the ends, because they have a tendency to crack if you don't seal them. And it's just a primer sealer stain blocker, oil based. These are the logs. Just a few of them for such a big tree. But you can see the ends of them here. All sealed up in both ends. I talked to Bill, who's a timber framer locally, and he has a wood miser sawmill, and he said that he'd be glad to mill these up for us. So we'll take them over there and see what we can come up with. Probably end up with like 1x4 up to 1x12, and we'll use it on the inside of the house somewhere. It's June 5, about 6:30. Ben just came here about a half hour ago. We set the tank, 1,000-gallon septic tank, and then it's going to hook up to the house right over here. He's just backfilling the trench because he's a lot better at it than I am. Takes me forever. So it's a nice clear day, and making some progress. June 6th. This morning I cleaned up this rock pile that was here that was a result of having to chip the rocks out of the bottom of the septic tank hole. Took quite a few bucket loads back to the back property of rock. Not sure what we're going to do with them. And then I unearthed the head of a prehistoric bumblebee. June 7th. Today I was concentrating on the drain field. Got the header pipe and the distribution box set. Header pipe connects each line, and then I dug a trench back to the septic tank. And this is the first trench that I've dug with a backhoe. And yesterday I kind of got used to using the backhoe, and it kind of clicked today. And it was within grade, within an inch. So I set some hubs, make sure that I had the right grade. It's a 12-inch drop from up there down to here, and fine graded the trench, and now I'm ready to set the pipe. June 8th, I I revised the site plan for the as-built for the septic inspection this morning, and then came out here and hooked everything up and got all the pipe in. Got a sleeve here where the driveway is. That's then the sewer pipe's running inside of it. So we're going down to the drain field. With the distribution box, and then the header that distributes the liquid to all the drain lines. So past inspection, he was just here, and now I can backfill it. So it's June 10th. I started backfilling yesterday. Got this backfilled around the house, around the septic tank, and then around the front of the house. Kind of leveled things out, brought the grade down so that it drains from the house out to here, and out there. Did a little bit of grading, filled in this trench, and today I finished grading the drain field. So that's all done, just as a rough grade. We're going to have to get in there with some rakes and rake it out. And that's the distribution box right there. And that's the drain field. So next week we'll go vertical. June 11th, picked up this lumber earlier that we got milled from the tree that we dropped, 14-inch ponderosa pine. And we're going to use this wood to make some outdoor furniture and probably some other stuff. Cost $270 to cut that up. I think it's probably a good deal, hopefully. Anyway, we returned the backhoe and out of the ground. Got some final finish work on the grading, but tomorrow we're going to start putting down pressure treated and framing walls and go vertical. Today was a good day. I just went out and changed the oil in the truck, rotated the tires, and got a haircut. Kind of an errand day.